What's up, everybody? This is your girl Kiki, and I am back with another video. So for this video, it's going to be a half day for me, so it's just going to be a small little vlog. But today is my day off. You can see my nails have grown out quite a bit. They still look good. It's just one that had popped off, so I do have to do my nails again today, which is not going to be in this vlog. It is going to be a separate video, but for now, I'm just going to hold on to these until the end of the day. But yeah, these were really pretty, and I love the color and the glitter that I put on them. So right now, I just got up about an hour ago, so I still gotta brush my teeth. I don't wash my face separately. I do that in the shower, so I'm gonna brush my teeth right quick, and then I'm gonna eat me a little something before I take a shower. Okay, so now for my breakfast. So I decided to make some mini chicken pot pies, and if you're asking why I got an air fryer in my room, mind your business. But yeah, so I decided to make some of the leftovers because I had some leftover chicken pot pie and some Pillsbury, the pizza rollout dough type of stuff. So yeah, I went ahead and I filled up the little mini containers because I accidentally bought the really small ones by accident. I meant to buy the bigger ones. So yeah, I was stuck with these really small tiny ones, but they still were handy. They still came in a clutch. So yeah, made my little mini pot pies. I made that. So then afterwards, I went ahead and I took everything and put it into my container, my little tumbler cup. But this was the white tea that I had made not too long ago, I think like a couple of days ago. But yeah, it was really easy to make, and I used that as my base. And then I also used some Crystal Light. So the Crystal Light is really nice because I add some sweetness and some sourness without the extra calories. And then I used 2 real fruit syrups. So one is passion fruit and the other one is a pear flavor. So I mixed those to flavor my tea with. And then I used this really cool tumbler cup that I got from TikTok. Shout out to TikTok. Okay, TikTok definitely put me on some really nice stuff for the low. So this tumbler cup is really nice because the hole is covered, so when you drop it or anything like that, nothing spills, and then it only opens up once you put the straw in. So one of my favorite tumblers. I paid like 23 bucks for it, I think. And then this was the drink, just in case you want to see what it looks like. So it's just very refreshing, like a lemonade, passion fruit. It was delicious. So then, of course, I had to make sure I pray, because we got to pray to the Almighty for me not starving in these streets. So I appreciated that. Like, I really did. And then I went ahead and dug right in. So that chicken pot pie, yeah, it was busting. And I hate that I'm almost out of the filling. I still got to make some more of that dough. But yeah, I don't have any more Pillsbury, so I had to make it homemade. But it was so freaking good, y'all. Like, best breakfast I ever had. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower because we can't be out here musty, y'all. All right, we too grown. So what I'm gonna be using here is the Dr. Scholl's exfoliating gloves, which I saw a girl on YouTube use. And y'all, I have not turned back to regular rags since, because it gets all that crust, that dirt, that dust, whatever's on your body, it just gets it all right? So all them crisps and crevices that you're trying to get, you're gonna get nice and clean, I'm telling you. And then I'm also using these foot files as well because we try and keep these calluses down, all right? Even though it's getting cold outside, I still want to make sure I keep up with my foot care, just because I still want to have pretty feet even during the colder season. So this is cool because you can use these wet or dry and hang them up and reuse them over again. And then I'm also going to be using some scrub as well, just because I want to get my skin really nice and soft today. So I'm using Tree Hut scrub, strawberry scrub, and I also got their vitamin C one as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and take me a shower. Y'all ain't gonna see me butt naked, so I'll see y'all in a bit. So then after I hop out the shower, which you can see is nice and steamy, I'm going to be washing my face with CamelProduction because my skin been breaking out since it's my, time of the month type of thing. So yeah, I got to make sure I keep that together. And also make sure, if you have stretched ears like me, make sure that you clean that as well, okay? Some people be leaving them in while they're taking the shower. That is so nasty because all that dead skin and bacteria is just not like, that's not the vibe, okay? So please make sure you clean them ears. So then once I get back into my room, now I'm just gonna put my rose water on. So that's pretty much my toner, and that's what's gonna be the next step to my facial skincare routine type of thing. So then I'm going to go ahead and put on my 2 serums, which is the vitamin C serum from Dermalogica and also the eye puff serum as well. And I use those 2 in combination because the vitamin C helps brighten up my skin, and the eye puff serum just helps keep those eye bags at bay because I be having really bad eye bags. So the eye puff serum really helps with that. because I just be looking tired all the time. Even when I'm not tired, I still be looking tired. So the eye puff serum really does help a lot. And then I also went ahead and threw up some lip gloss because my lips was feeling a little bit dry. Now, usually I do this at the last step, but I'm like, I might as well do it right now while I'm at it. And this is like that cheap, $1 lip gloss that you can get from the beauty supply store, but I will never stray from it because it's some of the best lip gloss that I ever had. All right, do not sleep on that beauty supply store lip gloss. That stuff be doing what it's supposed to do, okay? And I had like a really tiny bit amount, so I was trying to get that last little bit because I'm like, after this, I'm about to throw this away. So yeah, I made sure that I try to get as much as I could. Like I was using the strength of Hercules to squeeze the crap out of that lip gloss because yeah, I was not wasting none. Yeah, see, I was happy. I won the victory. Now I could finally say I used the whole tube of lip gloss without buying another one. I could definitely confidently say that. So now I'm going to moisturize my skin with the Dermalogica Vitamin C moisturizer, and I'm going to be using sunscreen for the last step. A lot of people think black people don't need sunscreen, but we actually do, and that's because we could also have a risk of catching skin cancer. Not likely, but we still could catch skin cancer. And also because I like to keep my skin tone nice and evened out, and the sunscreen just kind of helps prevent the sun from giving me hyperpigmentation. Like, certain spots of the face be darker than others. Like, I do not want that. I worked too hard to get my skin tone nice and even, so we're gonna keep that evenness with that sunscreen that I have. Now that specific sunscreen is only used for the face, but I do have another brand that I use for my whole body as well. And the sunscreen is not cheap as well, so best believe I'm only using it for my face because yeah, it's not cheap. So then I'm going to go ahead and use this lotion right here from Nivea. This is a non-scented lotion and it's the vitamin C base. So this is going to be for my whole body. It's not a sunscreen, but it's just regular lotion. And then this right here, this is the Tutti Frutti candy from Bath and Body Works. I hate that they stopped selling it, so I'm trying to use it very sparingly, but I use that as like a layer on top of my regular lotion. And then I'm using Sugar Rush from Okja. I did a review video on that, so if you want to check that out on my page. Otherwise than that, this right here, I'm layering it with some expensive Dior. Okay, now this was actually a sample pack that one of my clients gave me, and like she's so awesome for that. And then also this body glaze, it smells so freaking good. All right, that scent from heaven, I swear, it slaps. And before y'all try to catch me slipping, yes, I use deodorant. Yeah, I see y'all trying to call me musty down the comments. But yeah, this is from Secret. This is the clinical strength because I don't play when it comes to must. So best believe if I'm sweating, the deodorant better be doing its job, which it does. It's a really good deodorant, honestly. Alright, so now that I'm nice and moisturized, nice and perfumed and everything, now it's time to get this hair together. So I don't really do too much with my hair, honestly. I'm not much of a hair fashionista, whatever you call it, hairstylist type of thing. Even though I got my license in cosmetology, so you would think like, oh, like she's gonna keep her hair done all the time. I keep my hair done enough, but not to a point where it's like done every single day. So this is the best that is gonna look because I'm not trying to do too much with it, but it's just this it's actually a wig. Okay, a lot of people think it's my real hair. It's not my real hair. It's a lace front wig. And you know why? Because you can tell like in some angles you might see a little line here and there, but I do pretty good with my wigs. Like, you see that little lace there kind of lifting, but this is only like day 3, I believe, of having this wig on, and it held on pretty good still. I like my edges very natural looking. I don't like it when they're too long or too swoop. So to me, this is like my look, to go look. I like it messy. I like it a little voluminous, a little frizzy. I do have to detangle it and twist it and adjust it here and there because I gotta sew the bottom down, but I didn't have a chance to do that. I just didn't really do it because sometimes, like, how your scalp be itching as well, like you be trying to get under that wig and you can't get under it because it's so down. Like, that's so freaking irritating. And I've been tearing up my rat tail combs trying to scratch my scalp, so I'm just like, I just leave it unsold on the bottom. But yeah, so that's the best it's gonna look. It's gonna look good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get some quick little chores done right quick. So I have a lot of clothes that I gotta fold, so I got this big old load right here that I gotta pour down. But yeah, so I gotta get all them clothes together because sometimes when I wait too long to do my clothes, that's when I just let it pile up, and the next thing you know, I gotta wash like 4 loads in one day because I waited too long. So luckily I only have to do 2 today. I got another one in the wash. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and get these clothes together right quick. Now, I don't know if it's just me, but does anybody else still have clothes from like high school? Because I still have this t-shirt since like 2016 now. Of course, it got messy because some white paint got on it because I was painting my room and some paint got on it and it never came off. So I mostly use it as like my throwaway shirt, like when I'm coloring my hair or doing anything messy. But yeah, that shirt is like 8 years old. And I had it since high school. So, and that was like my senior year. So I had it for 8 years pretty much. So then after I was done folding my clothes, then all I did was throw it in this drawer right here. So my drawer set, you can take it apart very easily. So it's like a little basket and then you just throw it right back in the drawer. So that was very nice to purchase from Amazon. So then pretty much I had my lunch break. So my brother was so nice enough, my sweet little brother, even though he's only 2 years younger than me, picked up some McDonald's for me because I was going to get some McDonald's, but he had my car, so I had to kind of wait for him. So he said, I'll pick it up for you. So he was really nice about it. So I got they had the $5 deal going on. So I went ahead and got a McDouble, some fries. I got a 4-piece McNuggets, and then I got a large Sprite. You know, that Sprite be hidden. Man, my throat be burning, but guess what? It'd be worth it because this Sprite is so freaking good. McDonald's, you got the best Sprite, okay? I love me some Sprite, and McDonald's got the best of the best. So after my good little lunch break, I'm going to go ahead and get into some crocheting. So I'm just going to finish a few more rows on this cardigan that I'm working on. So I'm working on a beautiful cardigan with some white trim. So right now I'm just working on the back part. So I'm only working on one panel so far, which is not even close to being done. So I try to put aside at least a couple of hours a day to just, you know, add some rows in just to try to get it done, because I don't want to take forever on this, even though I do work and do all other stuff. You know, it's just good just to, you know, get some crocheting in. It's just therapy for me. So yeah, I usually just like making stuff, and then afterwards I get to wear it. So that's a pretty cool part. And plus it's getting cold outside, so I'm really trying to kick in with all these cardigans and sweaters before it starts getting cold, because I'm definitely going to be rocking these at work. And I know everybody gonna be asking me, oh, who made that? Or, oh, do you make it yourself? And I'm like, yeah, I made it. And they're gonna be like, oh, how much it is? And I'm gonna be like, it ain't gonna be cheap. It ain't gonna be cheap. All right, this took me hours to make. So if you're gonna ask me to make one for you, just know it ain't gonna be cheap. All right, but yeah, absolutely love this yarn. It's so pretty. I love the pattern that I did on it. It just really brings out all those little speckles that's in it. And yeah, I just can't wait to get this done, because yeah, this is gonna be one of my favorite pieces. So that's pretty much it, y'all. That is pretty much half of my day. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit some videos and stuff like that. But I hope y'all enjoy this little vlog that I did. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye. Have a blessed day. And yeah, stay safe out there, y'all. Peace. I just want to appreciate everyone for watching my video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. It's going to be below my video. And also hit that notification bell for more updates on my content. Along with that, you can follow me on my other social media pages as well for more updates on my other content that I post outside of here. But anyways, I hope y'all have a good one. Stay safe out there and stay blessed. Goodbye.